seal in it. Did have to buy another dang thermostat neck there. The JBL wasn't holding under torque. So far, looking decent. Seems like it might hold. Do not have a thermostat in it. I don't want to let it build up any pressure yet. Try to film another video in about 6 months if it holds. I was getting water in my oil. I don't know if it was coming from the busted block or if it just because it was sitting out in the weather. But I do have it under a shed now. And at the moment, I get some water in my oil. So, at this very moment, I'm going to count this a win. But it may change at any moment, but I do have to get another neck there. Nothing is leaking. I do not have water in my oil. That was my biggest concern, was water in the oil. And I'll let this right here set in and heat up, cycle, and do the KW block seal process where you drain it, let it dry and all that. I'll come back later, put the thermostat in it. We're going to see if it'll hold up under pressure. So far, it's holding up. Oh, JB